when garlic contains an oxide known as alliin, which is highly caustic. It burns cells. It destroys cells.
Garlic may be the most trusted food on the planet, yet it is one of the very few that Dr. Sebi told people to remove from their lives completely. Not cut back, remove. And the reason why holds one of the most important lessons in all of natural healing.
The whole world fell in love with this plant long ago. In ancient Egypt, garlic was fed to the laborers who raised the pyramids to keep their strength up. The Greeks gave it to their Olympic athletes before competition. Roman legions carried it across the empire. And in both world wars, when supplies ran short, garlic was pressed straight into soldiers' wounds and earned the name Russian penicillin. So by the time it reached your kitchen, garlic carried thousands of years of reputation behind it. But Dr. Sebi never judged a food by its reputation. He judged it by one question. What does this actually do to a living human cell? And his answer to that question is where everything changes. Start with something most people never learn. A whole, unbroken clove of garlic is almost silent. No sharp smell, no heat, no bite. Hidden inside it sits a stable, odorless compound called alliin. This is exactly what Dr. Sebi pointed to, an oxide resting quietly in the clove, doing nothing on its own. But the instant you crush, slice, or chew that clove, you tear its cells open and release an enzyme. And in just seconds, that enzyme transforms the alliin into something far sharper and more aggressive, a compound called allicin. Allicin is the source of nearly everything we know garlic for. The pungent smell, the burning heat, the sting that reaches your eyes. It barely existed a moment before. The plant builds it on demand the instant it is damaged. And it does not build allicin for you. It builds it as a defense, a chemical weapon made to burn and repel the insects, fungi, and bacteria that try to feed on it underground. Allicin is the plant's armor. So when raw garlic is crushed and swallowed for health, what is really being eaten is the very compound a plant created to keep itself from being eaten alive. The sharpness we have learned to call medicine is, in nature, an act of self-defense. This is why garlic collided so directly with the core of Dr. Sebi's teaching. For him, health did not begin in the stomach or the bloodstream. It began in the cell, and in the thin, living membrane that wraps every cell and acts as its gatekeeper, deciding what gets in and what stays out. Keep that gatekeeper strong, he taught, and you protect the foundation of the entire body. So he asked one thing of every food. Does it gently feed the cell, or does it agitate it and force it to defend itself? By that measure, garlic did not pass. Here is how he explained it, in his own words.
But it will offer us likewise garlic. When garlic contains an oxide known as alliin, which is highly caustic. It burns cells. It destroys cells. It weakens the membrane. You and I have been told that garlic is one of the oldest remedies on the planet. Garlic is used way back into biblical times. Probably so. And I don't know if that is true. And it may have been so. But it has nothing to do with the African that live in the forest, which will be touched in a minute. Garlic. I used garlic in my inception, my early healing journey, because I was like many, reading the books and claiming that I'm a healer. And in the book it says that garlic is a substance that would lower the pressure. That is also true. But what they didn't say is that garlic, besides lowering the pressure, it has a tendency to weaken the membrane, to destroy the membrane. I will be right back.
Ready?
On the subject of garlic, garlic weakens the membrane and ultimately destroying the membranes. But we are told that it is a good medicine.
And here is what makes his stand so striking. For years, ideas like this were dismissed as folklore. Yet the closer modern science looks at allicin, the more it echoes what Dr. Sebi described. Researchers have found that the way allicin destroys bacteria and fungi, the very source of garlic's celebrated power, is by breaking through their outer membrane and attacking the living cell within. Its medicine, in other words, is destruction. Doctors have even recorded real chemical burns on human skin from raw garlic left against it too long. The same caustic bite, now on us. Dr. Sebi pointed to all of this decades ago, with no laboratory at all. The laboratory is only beginning to catch up.
Now, a single clove will not bring you down. Your body is resilient, and that is exactly why this is so easy to miss. Natural healing was never about one meal. It is about what repeats, quietly, across years. And your body even leaves a clue. The way garlic lingers on the breath and rises faintly from the skin a full day later is not a sign of nourishment. It is the body working to escort out something it never recognized as food. But Dr. Sebi never took something away without pointing to a better path. Garlic simply does not appear anywhere on his nutritional guide. He set it aside. In its place, he left a full palette of approved foods and seasonings, built to return the body to its natural alkaline state. For flavor in the kitchen, instead of garlic, he approved gentle seasonings like basil, oregano, thyme, sage, dill, and bay leaf. And for real strength, he trusted whole, non-hybrid plant foods, mineral-rich leafy greens like kale, dandelion greens, and watercress, fresh berries and burro bananas, sea moss from the ocean, and plenty of natural spring water, with the processed and salt-heavy foods cleared away. To Dr. Sebi, this was the true medicine. Not one powerful ingredient forcing a change, but a clean, living diet that lets the body restore itself, gently, from the inside out. If you would like to stock the alkaline staples Dr. Sebi approved, his clean seasonings, sea moss, and herbal teas, I have gathered a few quality options and linked them in the description below. And that is the whole heart of his teaching, hidden inside one small bulb. Strength is not the same as goodness. A powerful reaction is not the same as healing. Real medicine, in Dr. Sebi's world, does not overpower the body. It nourishes it, quietly, one cell at a time. Garlic is simply the first place you learn to see it. If learning the real story behind the foods we have always trusted speaks to you, subscribe and stay close. There is a whole world of plants still waiting here. I will see you in the next one.